Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on clothing with Macy's beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Macy's website or downloading the Macy's app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Familiarize yourself with the site's layout and features. Look for the clearance section where discounts are available. Sign up for Macy's emails to receive exclusive offers and sales alerts. Check for seasonal sales, especially during holidays like Black Friday and Labor Day. Use the Macy's app to access app-only deals and notifications. Follow Macy's on social media for additional promotions and flash sales. Take advantage of Macy's Star Rewards program to earn points on your purchases. Consider using coupons available on the site or in your mailbox. Stack coupons with sale items for maximum savings. Always compare prices with similar items at other retailers. Use Macy's price match policy to get the best deal. Shop at the end of each season for clearance items to save big. Participate in special shopping events such as friends and family sales. Plan your purchases around specific times when sales are most frequent. Download the Macy's mobile app to browse sales while on the go. Utilize the Shop by Price feature to filter items within your budget. Keep an eye on limited-time promotions for unique items at lower prices. Check customer reviews and ratings to ensure quality for discounted items. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.